Hello, my name's Alan and I'm the creator of this course, Excel from Zero to Hero, Level 1 for complete beginners. Now you may be wondering what qualifies me to teach Excel. Well, I've been using Excel since way back in 1993 when version 5 was released, and I've used it practically every day since. Not only have I used it, I've also taught others how to use it. And many of my students have gone on to gain promotion, earn more money using the skills that they've learned, and some have gone on to create their own businesses. So, what are you going to learn in this first course? Well, like all good things, the masters master the basics first, and that's exactly what this course aims to do. We cover all the basics of Excel. Now, I'm not going to assume that you understand anything about it at all at the moment, so don't worry, you'll learn everything in detail. And there's a difference between copying what someone else is doing and actually understanding what it is that you're doing. And understanding leads to mastery, so that's the aim of this course, to give you complete mastery of all the basics. And trust me, many people who've been using Excel for years, in my experience, don't have the basics mastered. So, what are you going to get? You'll get over 3 hours of lectures, almost 50 lectures I think there are. There are many quizzes throughout the course to help cement your learning. And you also get access to me. So if you have any questions throughout the course, feel free to just contact me directly, or better yet, just post it in the forum at the side of the screen and everyone will be able to see your question and my response to it. That's it. I hope you enjoy the course. I know I've certainly enjoyed making it, and I hope you get a lot out of it. Thanks a lot.